What's up, guys? It's Genetics, and I just got into Sonora Marshes. Isn't that sweet? Okay, I knew that there was a one-time offer. Now let's see what's inside of this incubator. Coinage, Ankylosaurus, Allosaurus, Steinlock. Okay, so they're not that great. Megalosaurus. Okay, that's pretty cool, but only 5 DNA. Parasaurus. Oh yeah, give me the ones that I'm never gonna level up. Monolophosaurus 17. Okay, well, I mean, I'll take it. I really need that DNA though. Could you give me 20? 30? And then Gyptosuchus, which I don't need. They gave me 148 of. Okay, so that's... I don't know, guys. I don't know about that one. Let's just open up this incubator to see if we can make up for it. Nope, we got more Parasaurus. Okay, well, we got more Monolophosaurus. They gave me that at least. And of course we got Steinlock 13, but... Okay guys, well, welcome to Sonora Marshes. I still have the video contest going on. My first video with 100 likes. I'm giving away a $10 gift card to a subscriber that leaves a comment on the video. I mean, that's not that bad. All you gotta do is subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, and you could win 10 bucks. Well, you do you, I'll do me. Have a nice day. Later.